ALVABABY Layers Diaper Inserts. Viscose from Bamboo by ALVABABY is one of the best sellers among diaper liners products. ALVABABY Bamboo Insert. When getting a cloth diaper, you may need some insert replacement. ALVABABY diaper inserts are the best choice. The manufacturer has all sorts of insert that you can always find the one you want here. Feature 1. 5 layers design. The outside 2 layers are rayon from bamboo, the inside 3 layers are microfiber. This makes it super absorbent. 2. Easy use and very soft. 3. Machine washable and dryable. 4. Size. For baby weighs 3 to 15 kilograms, 6, 33 pounds. 5. Dimension of insert, 33 centimeters in length, 12, 99 inches, * 13. 5 centimeters in width, 5, 32 inches. 6. Wash temperature, under 30 degrees Celsius. Less than 86 degrees Fahrenheit. 7. Color. Creamy white. 8. Condition, brand new. Tips and care. 1. Wash before first use. Please wash colors separately. 2. It usually will take a few washes to reach its full absorbency, could be 6 washes or more. 3. Place the insert inside the nappy through the open pocket in the back. 4. Liquid will be absorbed through the inner layer of the nappy to the insert. 5. More than one insert may be needed when sleeping or when necessary. 6. Nappy should be changed every 2 to 3 hours, and when damp, to prevent nappy rash. Washing instructions. 1. Remove and rinse off the residuals, knock solids into toilet, then store in dry pail. 2. Machine wash, no hotter than 35 oC. Cold rinse. 3. Hang them up to dry in the sun. Sunlight helps bleach the nappies to remove any remaining stains. Or low tumble dry. 4. Do not store inserts for too many days, should be washed in 1 to 2 days. 5. No bleach, no softener. Made of 80% rayon from bamboo and 30% polyester. Dimension of insert, 33 centimeters in length, 12, 99 inches, * 13. 5 centimeters in width, 5, 32 inches. Size. For baby weighs 3 to 15 kilograms, 6, 33 pounds. Machine washable and dryable. 5 layers design. The outside 2 layers are rayon from bamboo, the inside 3 layers are microfiber. This makes it super absorbent.